Hello and welcome to my channel. You have already got to know I'm sharing green sorrel recipe today. If you don't know the taste, it is tangy but delicious one. It's simple and easy to cook recipe, so let's start today's recipe. I have taken 5 whole spices, cumin seeds, nigella seeds, fennel, fenugreek and mustard seeds. I'm cooking in mustard oil. You can use your choice of oil. Temper with red whole chilies. Add the whole spices and wait till it turns aromatic. Add eggplant and in medium heat fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add radish and sweet potato. Mix it well. Fry the vegetables in medium heat. Cover and stir occasionally. Turmeric powder, little water. Mix it well. Cover and cook in medium heat. Cook till the vegetables are 80% cooked. Add the leaves. Mix it well. Add some salt to taste. Cover and cook till it is done. Add some sugar. To add some extra flavor, add a few green chilies and some raw mustard oil. I hope you liked today's recipe. Please leave me a comment if you would like to try this recipe. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.